Hi friends, welcome back. I know it's been so long. These are my Easter nails. I actually did a nice little builder gel set for Easter. It's been that long. Yes, I know this video has been sitting down just waiting, but with no further ado, let's get straight into it. AzureBeauty sent me a little package. I'm so excited. They sent me this like in March and it's August now, guys. Come on. Oh my gosh, I've been so busy. I explained where I've been in my previous video. I have it linked for you guys so you can check me out. Like it's on like a little 3-minute video. You can check out what I've been doing, little update. So yeah, let's open the package, see what came. It's actually a lot of stuff that's like fitted into this little box, but anyways, first things first, we got the cotton balls. I actually prefer a lint-free wipe, but thank you, I appreciate it. Also got a little brush. Next we got a little duster brush. It kind of looks like an eyeshadow brush to me, but oh well. We've also got 2 cuticle pusher sticks, like tools. Oh, we got cuticle oil. You can't go wrong with cuticle oil. I'm literally like, I've been feeling so like addicted to it recently. Like it's right by my sink. Every time I wash my hands, I use my moisturizer and cuticle oil every single time. Like you can never have enough. So I'm glad they added that. We've got the instruction manual. It's always handy. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys a little tutorial on how to use dip powder. Then we got the customer service card. Lovely, how to contact them and all that stuff. A little buffer, and oh yeah, we've got a file as well. I missed that, sorry. And a little pot to catch the dip powder. They also threw in some clips for soak-offs. So yeah, let's get straight into the powders. I arranged them all in like chronological, like numerical order, just to make it easier for me, a bit fun. And I'm going to be using step 1 to 4, which is the base coat, the activator, the top coat, and the brush saver. I think the brush saver is like for when the brushes get like clogged or whatever, then you have to like clean it out, and like that should like help you. I haven't really needed to use it, so yeah, but it's there. I'm glad that it's there. So yeah, so how you use a dip powder is first you buff the tip, but I'm showing you guys on this little swatch stick, but if you want to use dip powder on your actual nail to like make an extension, you would prep your nails the same way you would for acrylic, like a full acrylic set. And when you do that, you apply your tip, your extension, and then you do these steps. So you apply the step 1, and if you're doing it on your nail, you make sure that the step 1 base coat doesn't go anywhere you don't want it to. So wipe the side walls, wipe the cuticle, make sure it's exactly where you want the powder to go, and then you pour the powder over it generously. Make sure that there's no wet spots, it's all soaked in, and then you can like shake off the excess. Wait 60 seconds for it to like sort of set a little bit. Wipe it off, then just repeat the process. Step 1, pour the dip powder, shake it off, 60 seconds, brush it off, and repeat the process till you get your desired shape, thickness, all that good stuff. And then of course you wipe off the excess dust for the last time, and then you apply a generous amount, don't overdo it, but apply a generous enough amount of the step 2, which is the activator. It acts sort of like a monomer, and it hardens the nail, makes it cure and set in place. And yeah, then you wait for like 60 seconds and you'll see it hardens like a full acrylic nail, which is lovely and perfect. Then of course, like you would a normal acrylic nail, you file, you buff, and then you go in with the gel top. It says gel, but it air dries, so you would apply it and then wait for like 2 minutes, and then it's a fully dried, cured nail. Like it's super cute. I love it. There's a shade 2. Yeah, so I'm only going to show you the little tutorial on just the one little nail so you know how dip powder works. Okay, so we're back. These are my graduation nails. Yes, all the way in June is when I'm still filming this. Like, it's so crazy. It took me so long to like finish this video. But anyways, I bought a nail practice hand off Shein, and I'm going to do a little unboxing because I'm going to be using the hand to do these nails, like, and also do a nice little review of the hand to show you guys what I think of it, how it works, how it functions, if it's good, if I recommend it, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Everything that comes in it. It comes with a nice amount of stuff. Like it's actually quite surprising how many things came in it, but let's be honest, I'm not going to be using most of the other tools, only the tips, you know, like the little fingernails. That's really what I'm going to be using. So I'm really glad they gave us like 3 full packets, so it's really generous. It's going to last a good while, and we've got in 3 colors, so that's like going to be really handy for different nail sets, I'm guessing. Anyways, as you can see, it's very flexible, very sturdy. I can move it any which way I want. The size of the hand is quite wide, quite big. My hands are quite big, I can't lie. So the size of the hand is quite big, so it's very human-like, I guess. And the fingers, as you can see, as I move it up, move it down, they're not weak and flimsy. They stay in place, so you can readjust, rearrange, maneuver the fingers. And also the knuckles work really well. Like you can see, I can move each knuckle and it stays in place. It doesn't just collapse, which is really good. It also comes with a nice little clamp that you can clamp onto your desk, and make it stay secure and also remove it easily whenever you want, which is really good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the swatches of the dip powders. We're just gonna fly through it. I'm not gonna take too long. We're just gonna fly through all the little colors I got, which is so pretty, so lovely. I loved the glitter colors, but there was that one nude, that one good nude that I saw. I couldn't resist, and I'm gonna be using it in today's set. Absolutely gorgeous nude, gorgeous. So I'm gonna be using it in today's set. But yeah, the rest of the swatches are right here. You can have a look. Beautiful colors. Thank you so much, AzureBeauty. I'm gonna have to send them like a nice long apology email because they sent me this box in like March, and guys, it's August, and I'm only just finishing the voiceover and all that stuff. Like the video has been like ready, like edited, like for like a good month now. I'm only just sitting down now at 2 a.m. in the morning to get the voiceover done. That apology email is gonna be serious. But no, they've been really patient with me, really lovely. Just they're telling me take my time, you know, do it whenever I'm ready. But yeah, really lovely. Thank you so much, you guys at AzureBeauty. I really appreciate it, and thank you for your patience. So yeah, girls, it's been so long. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's so long since I've done like a really good voiceover for my video, like a nice full-length video. Love it. If you guys haven't watched my testimony video, I'm just gonna give you guys a real quick catch up on what you guys have missed over the last, like, this year really. I haven't uploaded this year. I've only just been uploading like little shorts here and there this past week, but that's about it. But yeah, your girl graduated. Your girl is a fully qualified nail tech, fully licensed. God is so good. I feel so blessed because this channel, and I obviously have to share my testimony with you guys, because this channel was like started during lockdown, like towards the end of lockdown. I was just starting a little hobby. It was like a little hobby to keep me, you know, productive, something to do, you know, in the house while we're all locked in. I was like, okay, do you know what? I might as well just like follow my little passion, because I can't go to school because I'm like, you know, really academic. But like, we're not going to school. Nobody's in a classroom right now. So let me just do this little hobby that I like. You know, I love nails. Let me just get into it. And now look, 2 years later, look at me, fully qualified, licensed lash tech. I said lash tech. I am actually a fully qualified lash tech. That's actually on the side as well. I was gonna get to that, but yeah, fully qualified nail tech. And along the way in the journey for the year, while I was doing my nail technology course in the beauty school, I was able to sign up to become a fully qualified lash tech, brow tech, and girls, God is so good. I'm going back in September again in a few weeks to do my level 3 beauty therapy, which is like the works. I'm going to be doing dermaplaning, intimate waxing. I'm already a qualified waxer, but I'm going to redo it again, obviously in a higher level. Intimate waxing, full body massage, Swedish massage, and hot stone massage, and there's a few other things. I can't really think of it at the top of my head, but yeah, there's a lot I'm going to be doing. That's why I'm so grateful to God. God is so good. This is me just giving God all the glory, because like I don't even know what, like I don't know what else to say. God is so good. I'm so glad and so happy to be back to YouTube. Like, I got some free time now, but I was experiencing like a lot of academic burnout. Like, I was just so tired. I was doing like 5 different things at once, like different courses, and I was like doing my software engineering course as well, boot camp. I won't even talk about that. Don't worry about that. But yeah, I made like some amazing friends along the way, met some amazing people. So many good things have happened. Yeah, I'm glad to be back to YouTube. Thank you guys for still being here. I don't know who's still here, like who's still watching, but Lord willing, you know, the channel continues to grow. I'm able to like put more effort into like my channel. I was even asking in my community tab, like, would you guys like me to make a separate like beauty channel where I would like do the other things? Because this channel for me is prettiest nails. It's about nails, you know what I mean? It's not really about when I think of the channel, I don't think about anything else but nails. So I was thinking maybe I could create a separate space, and then we like do lashes, maybe brows, the aesthetic side of things, like the beauty side. That's what I was thinking. So I'm just, you know, Lord willing, you know, I know God is going to give me the, you know, the wisdom to know which way to like go with it. Because I'm like, I don't know if I should just post beauty stuff on this channel. I don't really feel like I should. But yeah, anyways, you guys let me know what you want. Like, if you want me to put it here, I can do that. But if you want me to like make another one and then like link it, and then you guys can like go over there and like, you know, support me, it's all up to you. I might even do like day in the life, like vlogs. I don't know, there's like so much I could do. I just feel like so good, just so good. I'm just so grateful to God, honestly, so fulfilled. And like, let me just use this time to tell you, like, honestly, it's never too late. If it's something that you want to do, I'm only 25, about to be 26. Oh my gosh, I still feel 16 in my head, but we'll ignore that. Anyways, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do for my birthday nails? Girls, I have not thought about my birthday nails. Oh my gosh, girls. But the nails I got right now, I did them last night, literally. Like, I finished at 3 in the morning. It started at 12:30 in the middle of the night, midnight. Finished at like 3. So, and they're the baby bloomer nails. I'll put the link to the little YouTube shorts I did on my baby bloomer nails. They're so cute. I feel like this is my signature look now for like a while, my everyday look. They're a bit longer than I usually do. I usually do like a nice short square for myself for every day. They're a little bit longer. They're like medium length. They're a cute baby bloomer nail set. So cute. And they're coffin shapes. I usually do squares, so this is quite different. So I was like, on TikTok, I said I feel like I'm in my grown woman era. Like, ooh, this feels so grown, so like sexy, so like cute, so feminine. I love this set. I have a link for you. Just go check out the little shorts. It's so cute. But yeah, what do I do for my birthday nails, girls? You know, you've got my Instagram. You can always just send me like little, you know, inspo pics, because I literally can't decide. I haven't even thought about it, so now I have to actually start thinking about birthday nails. I wanted to go on holiday, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll definitely see about that. But I'll definitely keep you girls updated. But yeah, anyways, what was I talking about? Yeah, if there's anything you want to do, it's never too late. Just go for it, because I was actually going to university. I was actually planning to go to university. I had my offer to go study creative writing and English literature. That was the degree I was going for. Then lockdown happened, so I deferred it, I postponed it, and now look. And then after the lockdown, I did the tech courses, joined the bootcamp for software engineering while doing my nail technology course. So it's crazy how life, you could just pivot. That's the key for this video. Pivot. Never be too shy, never be too scared. The Lord hasn't given us a spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and of sound mind. Pivot, change, ask God for direction. God, where do you want me to be at this point in my life? What do you want me to do? Guide my steps. I'll put a verse up there where God says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your path. Ask the Lord to show you which path to take, which road to go on, because I used to pray that prayer like, God, I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know where I'm going, but I just want to be following you. I want to go where you want me to ultimately, you know. And now look, like, I'm just so grateful, so grateful. Who knew I would end up being a beautician, or even having a YouTube channel? Who would have thought of that? Oh my gosh, because like I used to be the one that would just be in the comment section watching all these other girls sort of like live the life I wanted to live, like, you know, doing the beauty stuff, doing this, doing that, you know, doing nails. I've been watching the little videos, leaving my little comments. I'm like, oh, I wish I could do that. Oh my god, Now look at me, a fully licensed nail tech, lash tech, brow tech, and now I'm gonna go be a fully qualified beautician, beauty therapist. So I'm telling you girls and boys, whoever's watching, if there's anything you want to do, you have a strong passion for, you know, like maybe in 20 years you might regret that you never even tried, just try. We're human beings. There's nothing wrong with trying and failing, because in scripture the word of God says the righteous man falls 7 times but gets back up. So always get back up. You can always fall. It happens. It's life. It's okay to fall, it's okay to fail, but as long as you get back up. So try whatever you want to try, because for me the year starts like in September. One is my birthday, 2 is like the start of the academic year, and being an academic girly, it's like, you know, I get this new fire, this fresh fire. So it's like, for me, it's like, you know how January is like everyone has like a New Year's resolution, everyone's got like a new beginning. For me, it happens like August, September. It's like a nice new like metamorphosis, a nice new like little transformation, you know. But yeah, go for it, do what you need to do. God is with you. If God is for you, who can be against you? No one. Okay, I'm trying to encourage you guys. I'm trying to encourage you in the Lord, you know. Do it. Let my channel, my life, let it be like a testimony. You guys can see how God helped me. I couldn't have done it in my own strength. I didn't know what I was doing, but look at me now. God is so good. Yeah, I'm just so grateful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe, so that you guys can follow me on my journey, continue to support me. I love you. Jesus loves you even more than I ever could. So yeah, let's just see where the journey goes. I'm really excited. You know when you just like go in autopilot and just say, God, take the wheel, you're in charge, you lead me where you want to go. I'm just enjoying the journey, I'm enjoying the ride. That's exactly what I'm feeling right now. I'm enjoying the ride. I'm curious to see where God is taking me. Thank you all for your support. Wait, we're meant to be doing these nails, aren't we? Oh my gosh, girls. Anyways, I showed you, didn't I, in the little clip at the start, the inspiration for these nails. Look at me just ranting. I didn't even look at what I was doing a voiceover for. But yeah, I know I showed you guys like a little, on my other phone, I showed you guys a little inspo pic of like what I was going to be recreating. I want to do something simple, nothing too crazy on this practice hand for this time. and it's absolutely gorgeous. It came out beautiful, as you guys can see. Nice little bling. I didn't really know what to do with the bling. I didn't really have the little flowers. They weren't here with me in my nail case. They were my mum's, and I was like, I can't stop the video now. This is the only free time I have. Let me just film it. I'll improvise with freestyle with the bling, and I did. The bling came out beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I'm stunned. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. And they are 100% dip powder nails. Again, thank you so much, AzureBeauty. Love you, love you, love you.
Qui dit études, dit travail, qui dit taf, te dit les thunes, qui dit argent, dit dépenses, qui dit crédit, dit créance, qui dit dette, te dit huissier, lui dit assis dans la merde, qui dit amour, dit les gosses, dit toujours et dit divorce, qui dit proche, te dit deuil, car les problèmes ne viennent pas seuls, qui dit crise, te dit monde, dit famille, dit tiers-monde, et qui dit fatigue, dit réveil, encore sourd de la veille, alors on sort pour oublier tous les problèmes. Que c'est fini, car pire que ça, ce serait la mort. Quand tu crois enfin que tu t'en sors, quand il n'y en a plus rien encore. Est-ce la zik ou les problèmes ou bien la musique? Ça te prend les tripes, ça te prend la tête, et puis tu pries pour que ça s'arrête. Mais c'est ton corps, c'est pas le ciel, alors tu te bouges plus les oreilles.
Yeah, thank you so much, AzureBeauty. Thank you again. These nails came out absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. So easy to work with. The nail hand, recommend 10 out of 10. I have no complaints when it comes to it, honestly, so I'll just give it 10. The nails are absolutely gorgeous. I know you girls miss me because I miss you. I will be back very, 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 very soon with another video. We're back, girls. I'm so excited. I'll see you all soon. Thank you so much for your support. Mwah, 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 mwah.